All right, good morning, guys. This is your Core Bytes 100. Please make sure you make your corrections on your paper. So for the first one, we're trying to use this chart. Y equals 5x plus 1. So up here you have x, here you have your y. So you have to plug in the numbers using the formula to figure out the answer. Yes. Yes. All right, guys, so we're going to plug in the numbers, okay? So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21. Okay? 8 times 5 is 40 plus 1, 41. Okay? So your answers are 21 and 41. Okay? For the next one, you're going to do the sum or difference. So your answers are going to be 8, 9, 9, 8. So if you add all these up, 9 plus 9 is 18, regroup. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 9 regroup. 9 plus 9 is 18, regroup. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8,999. For this one, you're going to subtract. So 2,999 minus 999. Your answer is 2,000 because you just take away that 999. And then over here, for your answer, you luckily are not going to have to regroup. So what you do is you just say 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1,123, okay? And then which fraction is greater than 1? So your answer would be 8/7 because like we're learning, it is an improper fraction. It has a larger numerator than a denominator, so that's how you get that one. And then for the next one, 4 months and 6 months and 4 years, 6 months equals how many years? So if you know that there are 12 months in a year, 6 months plus 6 months is 12 months, so that's 1 year. So then 1 year plus 4 would give you 5 years, okay? And then the last one says what type of angle is the picture showing? So as you can see, it's right here. So that would be an acute angle because it is not larger than 90 degrees. So it could not be a right angle and it could not be an obtuse angle. Okay, so make sure you make your corrections.